Time now is 1 p.m. and it's 12 degrees out there. We are going to leave this hotel and proceed to the airport. We are going to leave Niagara Falls. We are going to leave Canada. We are going to miss Canada definitely. We have about 6 hours to go before our flight home, and we have one last mission to accomplish. We are going to have dinner at the Burgernator, and at the same time sightseeing the city of Toronto on our way there.
On the left.
We took the express train from the airport to the city, followed by the subway and the tram. Roughly it took us about an hour or less to figure out the way to the burgernator. Thank you.
I lost mine.
Okay, so our mission accomplished. Now it's time to head back to the airport and back home to sunny Singapore. I hope you guys enjoyed all the videos posted since day one, and thanks for watching. See you in Singapore.